I'm going to show you how to switch out attachments so that you can use our guide and ruler system. All you're going to do is flip your rotary cutter over. You're going to push this knob up. That is going to release the blade. All I'm going to do is transfer this blade to this side. I'm going to push this guy down. And now we're ready to use the TrueCut system. On your ruler, there is a little lip right here. You notice that there's holes. That provides flexibility. It also provides strength. And while you're cutting, you can put your hands inside the holes just to stabilize your fabric a little bit more. You're gonna take this guide, and this guide is gonna hook right, let me see if you can see this. You're gonna take that guide and hook right onto the edge, and that's gonna keep it from coming off. That way, if I take my fabric right here, and I'm ready to cut, all I have to do is take that guide. I'm gonna move my safety up, put the guide on the edge of the ruler, hold down my ruler, and all I have to do is come forward, and I have my straight cut. Again, you're gonna take your guide, you wanna put it on the edge of your ruler, and you wanna make it sure that you put the guide when it's off of the fabric. I'm gonna hook it off of the fabric, and then I'm going to cut straight forward. And this just makes sure that your rotary cutter isn't moving this way or this way and provides safer, accurate cuts.